Welcome to our online learning, where all our children are engaged, ages 3 to 5 years old. Today's circle time is about numerals, letters, the days of the week, the weather we are experiencing, and shapes. In today's session, we'll focus on numerals 0, 3, 8, and 11, and letters L and R. We also focus on the type of weather we're experiencing today. Today is a rainy day. Today is a stormy day.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Girl, now let's use our pointer. Touch the donuts.
Start at the top. Go around. Back to the top. Great. One more time. Start at the top. Go around. Back to the top. Look at my circles. Those circles almost look like a face.
Draw a circle.
Maybe I should add a mouth. Should I add a mouth and make it a face?
Draw a circle.
Okay, let's do it. We'll just add a little mouth down here. Hello. There you have it. I used 3 circles. 2 for the eyes, 1 for the nose, and then I drew a mouth. Thank you for helping me. There's our circle. Now, let's keep reviewing our circle time board. I think we have to go to the weather.
Yay.
Well, what's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining out today? What's the weather where you live?
Draw a big one. Yeah.
Can you look out your window and tell me what the weather is where you live?
Yay, circle.
I'll give you some time. I'll wait for you to come back.
And this Monday, this Tuesday, and this Wednesday, this Thursday, and this Friday, and then this Saturday. Days of the week. 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 One more time. There's Sunday and this Monday, this Tuesday and this Wednesday, this Thursday and this Friday, and then this Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Today is Tuesday.
Say today is Tuesday.
Ready? Today is Tuesday. Yes, it is. Now,
Wait. No, leave the
let's
pencil.
read that together. Today is Tuesday. Yes, it is. Now, let's go back to our board and go down
Look,
to the
listen up.
letter of
Look
the
and
week.
listen.
Who remembers what the letter of the week
Letter of
is?
the week. Listen.
It makes this sound.
B. B. What letter makes that sound? B. B. Very good. B. B.
Nice and loud. Are you ready?
Ready?
Great. Here we go.
Look. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow.
See, alright, come by yourself now. Let me hear you come. Count. 1. Count first. Yeah. 11.
20.
Let me so what in that? Alright, good job. High five. Very good. Which number this?
1, 1,
No. 3.
2,
Which number this?
1,
No. 3. Which number this?
3,
Alright, which number this?
3,
Alright, count to 3 now.
3, 3,
Alright, count to 3 now. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Count by yourself.
1, 2, 3.
Which number this?
1, 2, 3.
Which number this?
3.
Alright, carry 3 things, come give me. Go up on the dresser and carry 3 things, come give me.
Right there.
Go up on the dresser and carry 3 things, come give me. Come.
Right there.
Just take up 3 things, give me no?
This one.
Yeah. 1.
1,
Carry, come give me.
1,
Yeah, 1.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Which one?
Anyone.
3.
Yay, good girl. Done. High five. The teddy red.
Yeah, and teddy red eyes, white eyes.
Yes, and what else start with the letter R?
Red,
And what else?
golden,
No.
golden.
Which other word? Which other word starts with the letter R?
White.
Titi. Alright, done with the color now. What else start with the letter R?
No.
I don't know again. Think about it.
Oh.
Come now. What else teacher says start with the letter R?
Yes, and run and rain
Yes.
and tigers.
No. Try again.
So what letter is that? What letter is this, Ezekiel?
On.
What sound does R makes? Good boy. What sound does R make? Okay. Yes. So we're going to draw the letter R now. Write the letter R. Come, trace the letter R for Nana.
Okay. Over there. I did it.
No, you did not. This is not the letter R. Look at my R. You have to go like this and go around here and then you go down.
Exalting yourself like that.
You have to go around here. Do it again. You draw down the stick. Do it again. Draw the stick down. Come. Do this one. Draw the stick down. Ezekiel, you're doing for the teacher. Remember, you're doing it for the teacher. Draw the stick down. Draw the stick down. Draw the stick down. Then you carry it around.
No, this is a P.
No, you carry it around like that.
This
And then you carry the stick down again. Carry the stick down like that and you get an R.
Oh my god.
What letter is this? What letter is this?
I'm making it.
Look at me. What letter is this?
I'm gonna make like the R and I gonna go around.
Yes, when you finish you make the R. What letter? Tell me what letter is this? What letter is this?
I did R.
Okay, what sound does R make?
I did R. Oh, already.
You say it already?
Yeah.
Miss?
Good morning,
Okay, so what number is this?
B.
The number?
B.
Count.
1, 2, 3.
3. Show me 3 fingers. Good boy. So you're going to write the numeral 3 for teacher. Write the numeral 3. See it? 3. Draw this. No. Trace the 3.
Not This is not a
Just trace it from that side to that side to that side, little boy, and stop arguing with me.
No, this is with the E.
No, it's 3.
No, walk.
Alright, Ezekiel, trace it.
It go, a B go down.
Okay.
And the top 2.
Okay.
And this is not
Trace it.
3.
Trace the other one
D
too.
is not B.
Trace that one too.
Yeah, this is the 3.
That is the 3. Alright, 3. Trace it.
I can write it.
You can, Papa. You are a strong boy. You're a strong and big boy and brave. Who is my brave baby? You are.
Go to girl.
Good boy.
Go to more. Stay on the line.
Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Give yourself a nice clap. Yay, you did it. Let's count again.
1, 2,
3. Good boy. Can you write 1?
okay.
We're going to 1. Can you write 2? Carry this down like this now. Good boy. Can you write 3?
No, it did the P.
Can you write 3?
No, did it all.
Okay. Can you write 3?
Huh?
Can you write 3?
Yeah. I'm in my dad's desk.
All right. Go and show me. Go and count 3 objects in the house.
1, 2, 3.
Good boy. Do it again. Count the chairs.
1,
3. Good boy.
5.
Hello, friends. Choo choo. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing black. Yes. Choo choo. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends. All of our friends. And we'll say hello to everyone that's come to Circle. Choo choo. Thank you all for coming to Circle. And thank you for singing that Good Morning Train song. Bye bye, Good Morning Train. Now, I need to go ahead and get my, what is that called? My pointer. That's right, my pointer. P for pointer. I'm going to use my pointer to review the Circle Time board. And we're going to start with our days of the week. Now, when we sing days of the week, remember, you can clap, you can snap your fingers, or you can just say whatever you choose. Are you ready? Great! Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 One more time. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 You did it! Great! Now, I wonder, what day is it today? What day is it today? Well, let's go to our board, because yesterday was Monday. So let's go down one. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. That's right. Because Tuesday comes after Monday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Yes, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Yes, that's right. Today is Tuesday. Let's put Tuesday on the board. Right here. And let's read it together. Today is Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday. Now let's move down our Circle Time board. And who remembers what the number of the week is. Ooh. Do you remember? Do you? Oh, you think so? Oh. 11. 11. If you said 11, you are correct. The number of the week is 11. And 11 has 2 ones. 1 and a 1. 2 ones make up 11. Let's put 11 on the board. Okay, come on, 11. There. The number of the week is 11. Now, let's go over to our donut board because we know we can count 11 donuts. Well, actually, we need to make sure we have 11 donuts. I'm going to take the donuts off of the board and then we'll count together. I have the donuts. Are you ready to count? Great. Now, I'm going to put the we can sing it together. Are you ready to sing? Great. Okay, let's get ready. Here's this barn. Get ready. Let's go.
It's on the other floor, E-I-E-I-O. And on this one we add a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Good job with it.
Here and there, here and there, everywhere. Only time we add a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Only time we add a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a wood here and a wood there, here and there, everywhere. Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Good singing. Keep going.
Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had a dog,
Think of a dog.
E-I-E-I-O. Here and there, here and there, everywhere. Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Keep on dancing.
Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had some E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here and there, everywhere. Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Great singing. Keep going. Last one.
Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a mat here and a mat there, here and there, everywhere. Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Only time we had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Good job. Great singing. Thank you.
Hey, do it in the lines. Alright. No, Davido. No, 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 no. What are you doing? Alright, do the rest. Make sure so you can see. Hey. Start from here. What you doing? No. Start here. Come down. Then you go across. And then you go up. Go. And start from here. Start here. Let me help you. Look. Look. See? Come down. Across. Up. Here.
Good morning, Anilos.
Good morning, Mommy.
Okay. What letter is this? Talk louder.
Capital R. Come on, R.
What is it?
Capital R. Come on, R.
Capital R and common R.
Yeah.
Okay, can you trace these letters for me, please?
Okay.
You're gonna start from the top.
Oh. Well, type on the top.
No. Oh, you finished already. No, trace it. Yeah.
At the top, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Hi.
Okay, finish them up.
Okay. Thank you, Claire.
Anilos, what the R says? The R says. The R says. Okay. What the R stand? What start with the letter R?
Rabbit.
Yeah.
Roll.
Yeah.
And.
No. Give me one more.
Rose.
Okay. So you say, what you say? What will you say? Say it over. Rabbit.
Roll.
Rose.
Something.
And room. Okay.
Room.
Can you count to 1 to 3?
1, 2, 3.
Count back way now.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, my boy. Hey.
So what letter is that? What letter is this, Ezekiel?
On.
What sound does R makes?
Oh.
Good boy. What sound does R make? Okay. Yes. So we're going to draw the letter R now. Write the letter R. Come, trace the letter R for Nana.
Okay. Over there. I did it.
No, you did not. This is not the letter R. Look at my R. You have to go like this and go around here and then you go down.
Exalting yourself like that.
You have to go around here. Do it again. You draw down the stick. Do it again. Draw the stick down. Come. Do this one. Draw the stick down. Ezekiel, you're doing for the teacher. Remember, you're doing it for the teacher. Draw the stick down. Draw the stick down. Draw the stick down. Then you carry it around.
No, this is a P.
No, you carry it around like that.
This
And then you carry the stick down again. Carry the stick down like that and you get an R.
I got
What letter is this? What letter is this?
I'm making it.
Look at me. What letter is this?
I'm gonna make like the R and I gotta go around.
Yes, when you finish you make the R. What letter? Tell me what letter is this? What letter is this?
I did R.
Okay, what sound does R make?
I did R. Oh, already.
You say it already?
Yeah.
We can sing it together. Are you ready to sing? Great. Okay, let's get ready. Here's this barn. Get ready. Let's go.
It's on the other floor. E-I-E-I-O. And on this one we have a cow. E-I-E-I-O.
Good job with it.
Here and there. Here and there. And here. It's on the other floor. E-I-E-I-O.
Remember to find things.
It's on the other floor. E-I-E-I-O. And on this one we have a
Last one.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a back here and a back there, here and a back, here and a back, there and a back. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Good job. Great singing. Thank you. Again, everyone, parents, boys and girls, guardians, I hope you're okay and everyone is safe and sound. Alright, so we will begin with circle time this morning. And what I'm going to do is send you a link through YouTube for circle time, and you're going to video the children engaging with the video and send it to this group, okay, so that I can see them, engaging with the video, singing and clapping and doing circle time. Alright, parents, I'm gonna ask you please if you can send all my babies who are present in class today. Alright, can you just send their names so that I can know who and who is present today? Alright, thank you. Good morning, Nathan Brown. Good morning, Dakari Burnett. And good morning, Zane Kelly. How are you this morning?
Good morning, teacher. Hi, teacher. How are you, teacher?
Good morning, Kyra Simmons and Kyra Simmons. Teacher is fine, thank you. Good morning, Davido Biggs. How are you this morning? I can see that you're practicing your circles. That's good.
Good morning, Kyra.
Great counting, Nathan. I am so proud of you.
Morning, Kyra. Morning, Kyra.
Good morning, Kyra. Okay, parents, so at this time, you can allow the children to have a break time, alright? So you can give them snacks and juice or fruits, whichever choice at this time, alright? Alright, parents, I know they're supposed to finish snacks a long time ago, but the light went and the internet just came back up. So sorry for that delay. Alright, so I know that their textbook is at school, so we're going to improvise a little. So you're going to let them trace the letter N. If you have a notebook at home or a piece of paper. Alright, so you're going to let them trace the letter N, say the sound, and let them say a word that starts with the letter N. Welcome to class, Orlando. It's good seeing you. Good morning, James. Good morning. Good morning, Ariana. Good morning, Ronaldo. Good morning, Shanilia. Good morning, Jahim. Good morning, Acacia. Good morning, Maurice. Good morning, Dante. Good morning. Are we all ready for class?
Good morning, Miss.
Nice to greet you, Acacia.
Good morning, teacher, classmates, and friends.
Good morning, beautiful Shanilia.
Good morning, Shanilia. Good morning, teacher, classmates, and friends.
Good morning, handsome Ronaldo. Thank you so much for waking up early.
Do you send us soon for school?
I love you too, Ronaldo. We're doing online classes for today. Did you all have breakfast, Acacia?
What did you have for breakfast? Shanilia, what did you have for breakfast? Ronaldo, what did you have for breakfast? Can you share any of your breakfast with me?
I eat coffee.
Sounds delicious, beautiful. Acacia, thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you. Chocolate tea for breakfast. Okay, see you tomorrow.
You are most welcome, Acacia. That sounds yummy yum. Ronaldo. Oh, sure, Ronaldo. We'll see you on Wednesday if the rain stops. Good morning, Auntie Donna. Thank you so much for being a part of our class. Boys and girls, do you know the reason why you're at home today?
Rain is falling.
Thank you, Acacia. You are correct.
Rain is falling, teacher. I'm not come back to school. Teachers learning the word on the tablet today.
You have to be back at school, Acacia, as soon as the rain stops falling. Okay, Ronaldo, it's tablet day as well today.
Thank you, miss. Okay, teacher. Teacher, we have some stormy weather today. My name is Raphael.
Definitely correct, Ronaldo. It's a stormy day.
Yeah, thanks too. Good morning, teacher. I love you. When the rain down, I love them more. Stay safe in the rain. I love.
Thank you so much, beautiful Shanilia. I love you more and more and more and more and more and more too. What did you have for breakfast, Shan? And do you know the reason why you're at home today?
Miss, we get cornflakes strawberry porridge. Miss Pepe get cornflakes. I Miss Carrie, you alright?
Stand slowly and let go me long.
Hi, Miss Carrie, I love you so much. Hi, Miss Carrie, it's Shaquan.
Wow, Shanilia, that sounds really delicious and healthy. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you, Shaquan. Thank you so much for sharing. How are you doing in school today? Thank you so much for helping your sister. And thank you for engaging in our class. So, beautiful gems, I want all of you to watch this video. And I want you all to engage in this video. This video is 23 minutes. So this video is about circle time. So I want you all to be very engaged. Parents, I'm asking you kindly to video them while they are watching the circle time. You don't have to video the whole session because it's 23 minutes. But you can video them engaging, and then you can send that to the group as part of today's activity. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing the videos.
Okay, Miss.
So boys and girls, I'll see you at 10:30.
Okay, Miss. See you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to class. Are we all here?
I'm here. Good morning, Miss Carrie. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Ariana. Nice to have you. Good morning, beautiful.
Teacher, I'm here. Have you been, teacher?
Thank you all so much for coming back. We are now going to review the video that you have just watched. Questions coming in shortly.
Fish, dumpling, and banana.
Wow, Ariana, that's a very big breakfast. Can you share some with me?
We learned about F. And Sunny Day.
Wonderful, wonderful, Ronaldo. So wonderful that you have watched the video and you have identified so many things. So let's talk about the video. So the video was about circle time. We have learned the days of the week. We have learned about the numeral 8. We have learned about the letter F. We have learned about the type of weather. And also we said Ronaldo, can you tell me the days of the week?
Sunday and Monday. Sure, miss.
You are correct, Ronaldo. We learned about Sunday and Monday. Can anyone else share with us the other days in the week?
Days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Wonderful, Ronaldo. Give him a round of applause. Well done. Acacia, Shanelia, Ariana, can you see the days of the week?
The days of the week are Sunday. Start with
Thank you. Thank you so much, Acacia. Can you finish the days of the week for me? Thank you. I'm not hearing from the little ones. What is happening? We must move on to our next activity. So let's talk about the letter F. Can you tell me words that starts with the letter F?
frog, fire, fire, fun. I'm still in the class.
Thank you, Ronaldo. Thank you. So you've identified fire, frog, flood, and fun. Well done. Can I hear from the others? Words beginning with the letter F, please.
Day of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Frog.
Thank you, Acacia. Thank you so much. You are doing so well. That is great. Can you identify words with the letter F?
Fish, frog, fire, flowers.
Thank you, Acacia. So you have identified words like fish, fire, frog. Well done.
You miss.
So let's move on to numeral 8. Can we have you counting from 1 to 8? And can you tell me what letter starts the word 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you so much, Acacia. You have done well. Round of applause.
Letter E.
Can I hear from Ariana, Shanelia? Where are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start with 8 start with E.
Absolutely correct. Well done. Well done, Ronaldo.
Thank you, Miss. Hi, teacher. We are fond of me. Watch TV. Miss, I'm okay. You are okay?
I am fine, thank you, Shant. Thanks so much for asking. And I'm happy that you're all keeping safe and warm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E. Start with the letter F. Of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Frog starts with the letter F. Turn the month of February. Flower, fish. Fun, finger. Foot, furniture.
Thank you, Shanelia. You are a bright spark. Just like the others. Thank you. Well done to my sparking friends. Well done to my sparking students. You are doing fantastic. Did you hear I say fantastic with the letter F? Well done. So I've heard all these wonderful words with the letter F. So now let's move on to the weather. What type of weather do you have? Can you look through the window and let me know what's the weather like outside? Where I am right now, it's raining. It's raining. The sky is overcast. I cannot see any sunshine and it's a little cool. So tell me, what's the weather condition like where you live?
A rainy day. Outside is cold.
Weather like where you live? Thank you, Acacia. Now I know what's the weather like where you live.
A rainy day.
Thank you, Ronaldo. Now I know it's a rainy day where you live.
Please, please teacher, stay safe.
Thank you all. So we're coming to the close of our class session. So let's do the action song if you're happy and you know it, just like in Auntie Monica's video. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Can we do all three? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stamp your feet, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! Let's see who can challenge that.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, I have only one question. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, three. Alright.
Thank you, Acacia. You did it. Well done.
If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Shout away. Away.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ronaldo. You did great. Well done. I just want to say thanks to all the parents and students who had engaged in class today. We have Acacia, Ronaldo, Shanilia, and Ariana. However, the students who did not engage today, maybe you're having technical issues, or maybe you're not on WhatsApp. I don't know what the reasons are, but we do acknowledge you. And when you do get a chance to go on a WhatsApp group, I'm still waiting to hear some feedback from you, so I could mark you present for today. Thank you so much for sharing your responses, and thank you for being at school today. Thank you, and continue to remain safe and remain warm. I love you, I miss you, and I will see you at school soon. So enjoy the rest of the day you can now go to have your lunch. You can watch your television, and you can maybe have a little play day. Whatever it is, be safe. Thank you so much for today's engagement, and do have a pleasant day. School is over for today. Done our work and done our play. Before we go, we come to say thank you, Heavenly Father, for a wonderful day.